Fun fact. I'm in a band. Hi guys, my name is Ty, and I talk tips. Welcome to Ty Talks Tips. Today's video, I'm going to be going over something that I am very, very passionate about, and that is how to start a band from scratch. I'm in a band. We're called Television Face. We're pretty cool. I'm going to be giving you guys my tips from my personal experience on how to start a band, what to do or what not to do. So let's dive right into it. Tip number 1, make sure the people you're starting this band with want to start it as much as you do. My first time ever starting a band was with me and then 3 other friends. Me and one of those friends are currently in the band Television Face. We're still playing music together. One of them showed up to rehearsal, the first rehearsal. The other one didn't even show up. We didn't even practice any music that day. We just sat on my couch and watched cartoons. That was because that other member who showed up was just not committed. He just wanted to come and hang out and have fun, which is fine, but you gotta remember, if you're starting a band, you guys gotta sound good, meaning you guys have to rehearse. Step number 2, rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. Find a day that works for everybody. Stay consistent at rehearsing. Like for my band, we rehearse every Sunday, starting at about 1 o'clock p.m. We stick to this all the time, and look at us, we're recording in a studio right now. It's absolutely fantastic. Our song is sounding so freaking good. I cannot wait for you guys to hear it. It really is going to be good. But yeah, you guys have to rehearse. You can't just rehearse a few times, sound kind of mediocre, be like, yeah, we're ready, we're going to play a show. You're not ready. As a matter of fact, we rehearse so much, we've been a band for over a year now, and we still have members who are like, we need to rehearse more before we do a show. We need to sound really, really good. As much as I hate to say it, they are right. You have to sound really good before you put yourself out there, because if you put yourself out there and it's crap, well, people are just going to see it as crap. Number 3, make sure everybody in your band is set on a certain style of music. My second band I was ever in, while all 4 of us were pretty interested in making music, we could not decide on what kind of style to record. I really liked the band Modest Mouse. One of our members really liked nu metal, stuff like Korn and Disturbed. Another one of our members really liked bands like Linkin Park and Tool. And then we had a Foo Fighters fan. It just didn't really mix, and our first record was just awful. It was so bad. I've since left that band, and then they found their sound after that. They started working together as they got older and matured a bit more. And I gotta say, even though I'm not in the band, really good. They're doing a really good job. Keep it up, you guys. If you're watching, you know who you are. You guys gotta find a sound. You can't just be all over the place. It's just not gonna work. Because while you may think it's okay to do that, and while you think the audience will be fine with it, they may be fine with it. They may just be your parents and not care at all. It's gonna start having conflicts within the band. Oh, I wanna cover a song by this band. Oh, but I hate that band. I don't wanna do that. You have to find a sound that everyone can agree on. Everybody has to agree on a sound in order for the band to work, performance-wise and member-wise. Tip number 4, have your own equipment for shows. If you don't have your own equipment for shows and you're always relying on borrowing it from another band, you can never play a show by yourself, and then you may never have the sound you quite like. It doesn't have to be good equipment. Let's say Johnny over here has a drum set, and Timmy over here has a couple guitar amps. Timmy's uncle has a PA system and some speakers that hasn't used. Perfect. Literally perfect. But if someone over here has a drum set and then you don't have anything else and you're relying on another band that you play with frequently to bring you that equipment, bad. Very, very bad. Don't do that. It just creates conflict and chaos, and it's just stressful as hell. I should know because my band used to do that all the time. Alright, let's get into the final tip of today's video. By the way, if you guys want more tips on this topic, make sure you leave a like. Comment down below that you want more tips on this topic. I can go on for hours and hours on how to start a band, what to do, what not to do. Let's bring up something that you should not do ever when starting a band. Do not allow members to stay because they are your friends. This is the hardest thing in the world. One of my best friends of all time recently just blew up on us. He just blew up on us. He was the bassist of our band. I still love that guy so much. If you're watching this and you know who you are, I hope you're doing well. But man, it's so hard to keep rehearsing and to stay motivated while there's someone in your band who just hates you, hates being there, never shows up. It just sucks. Even if they're your best friend in the whole wide world, you just gotta be straight up like, hey man, you're my best friend. You're not interested in this. And we are. So unfortunately, you're not allowed in the band anymore. That's the hardest thing to ever do, is to kick someone out of a band. But if you really want to actually take it seriously, you're gonna have to at some point. It just happens. Usually they're really cool about it. We had a guitarist, he was super chill about it. Love that guy. Still hangs out with us occasionally. But man, this bassist didn't take it well. At all. You gotta focus on it as if it's a business, even if it's just for fun, because the better you sound, the better you play, the more people who like you, the more fun it's gonna be. If you play for a brick wall, it sucks balls. That was a rhyme. I'm gonna write a song like that. That was pretty good, actually. Anyways, you guys, I hope that these tips helped you if you guys are interested in starting a band, or if you already have a band. Type in the comments down below, let me know what the band is. If you have a website, put it down below. Share it, spread the word. All musical creators alike. Can't wait to see your stuff. If you guys want me to react to your bands and to your music, that's another thing I can do. Just let me know, once again, in the comments below. That being said, I'm Ty. I'm finished talking tips for the day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.